Hello, here is a quick instruction about how to install rope light safely. With every driver, we provide driver sleeve, silicone glue, and end cap with the driver. First, connect the rope light to the driver connector carefully, and then apply the silicone glue to the connector properly. Fill all the gaps in the connector with silicone glue. Make sure no opening is left without silicone glue. You can see in the video how silicone glue is being applied. After completing this step, now you can cover the connector with the sleeve provided. Now similarly fill the silicone glue in the end cap and place it on the end of the rope light. These simple steps will protect the rope light from moisture and water and hence increase the life of the product. Thank you.